My friend, you are my father. You party with the call. You want my friend, we get petty. You call me smart. My friend, you are my father. But one of your shoes. But now my friend, you don't give me something to do. What did I go do there?
Jesus Christ. Nkube!
My friend tell me you get birthday.
Birthday! Now you wear my suit, Nkube! See!
Daddy.
Even my cap, Nkube!
Daddy, sorry.
Nkube, kneel down!
Daddy, sorry.
Nkube, kneel down, kneel down, kneel down! Nkube! Jesus, child!
Daddy, sorry.
Oh no, this thing don't give me. God, why you give me this kind of thing? Nkube! Even my expensive shoe! Shoe that I bought with $100! Nkube! I will not forgive you today, Nkube.
Daddy, sorry now. Daddy,
Nkube, you wear my suit. Do you know how much is this suit?
Daddy, sorry.
Nkube, come on down. You say where you dey go?
So my friend come and say get birthday.
Birthday? Now you wear my suit. Where you dey oversize?
Daddy, sorry.
Nkube.
Daddy, sorry.
Nkube.
Daddy, sorry.
Nkube. Nkube, lie down.
Daddy, sorry.
Nkube.
Daddy, sorry.
Nkube, so you dey wear my suit. Nkube.
Daddy.
Nkube.
Daddy.
Come here.
Daddy.
Come here.
Daddy.
How you take enter my room, Nkube?
Daddy.
How you take enter my room because I close this door?
Daddy. Don't close.
I close the door, Nkube.
Nkube,
you don't dey thief, oh.
Don't close now.
Nkube, this thing, the other day you enter my house. Nkube, why are you treating me like this, Nkube? Why are you treating me like this, Nkube? Nkube, are you promising me that you will not do this thing again, Nkube? Oh yeah, keep this clothes. Carry and keep am when you will correct am. Keep everything there. Jesus Christ. See Nkube, oh. Hey, Nkube, where now that place you carry the shoe from? What about the cap? Oh yeah, get out! Get out from my room, Nkube! Nkube, get out from my room! Get out! From my room! I said get out! Get out from my room!